Organizing thoughts for fluent speaking. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll delve deep into one of the most crucial aspects of the speaking tests in TOEFL and IELTS: organizing your thoughts and ideas. Effective organization not only enhances your score but also boosts your confidence during the test. Let's jump right in. When you're nervous, which many of us are during tests, it's easy to lose track of our thoughts. By organizing our ideas, 1. Clarity is achieved. Your examiner understands your points more easily. 2. Fluency is enhanced. Pre-organized thoughts reduce the UMMS and UHHS. 3. Time management. Knowing what you want to say helps you fit it within the allocated time. Let's introduce the power strategy for organizing thoughts. 1. P. Plan. Before you start speaking, take a brief moment to plan your answer. What are the main points you want to convey? 2. O. Organize. Structure your answer. Typically, having a beginning, middle, and end is a good approach. 3. W. Word it right. Choose words that effectively convey your ideas. Avoid overly complex words that might trip you up. 4. E. Express clearly. Ensure your pronunciation is clear, and modulate your tone to emphasize important points. 5. R. Review. If time allows. If you have some extra seconds, quickly review what you said in your mind. This helps in ensuring you've covered all points. Scenario 1. Describe your favorite book. Organized answer. One of my all-time favorite books is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Beginning. It's about a shepherd named Santiago who embarks on a journey to find a hidden treasure, but along the way, he discovers the true meaning of life. Middle. I particularly love its messages about following one's dreams and listening to one's heart. End. Scenario 2. Do you prefer urban or rural living? Organized answer. I have a strong preference for urban living. Beginning. This is mainly because of the convenience of having amenities close by, the vibrant nightlife, and the diverse range of people one gets to interact with. Middle. While rural areas offer tranquility, I thrive in the hustle and bustle of a city. End. Organizing your thoughts is like having a roadmap for your answer. It guides you and ensures you don't get lost along the way. With the power strategy and ample practice, you'll be better equipped to tackle the speaking sections of your TOEFL and IELTS tests. I hope you found this video enlightening. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!